We have continuous function because natural log is continuous in his domain, so the power function is continuous. When we multiply two functions which are continuous, we have continuous function, and when we add 7, the constant function is continuous, so we have continuous function p over t in this closed interval. So now to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum values, we need to find critical points. To find critical points, we need first derivative of our function. So p prime of t is equal, because we have multiplication here, so we need to use product rule. When we have u times v prime is equal v times u prime plus u times v prime. In our case, u is equal t square and v is equal natural log of 2t. So this is equal, we have natural log of 2t times derivative of t square is 2t plus t square times derivative of natural log is 1 over 2t times derivative of 2t is 2 plus derivative of 7 is 0, we don't have to write, so we can reduce 2 with 2, t with a square, so we have 2t times natural log of 2t plus t. This is our first derivative. Let's check the domain for our p prime function. Because we have here log, we calculate log only for positive values, and we have domain of our function from 1 to 4, so everything is okay. And what else? We have multiplication and addition we can do for all these values from this closed interval from 1 to 4. So now we have to set our first derivative equals 0. F prime of t is equal 0 if and only if we have 2t natural log of 2t plus t is equal 0. We can factorize t, so will be t times, in parentheses we will have 2 natural log of 2t plus 1. This is equal 0 when t is equal 0, or 2 natural log of 2t plus 1 is equal 0. So first equation we have solved, and this we can move the positive 1 to the right side, so we will have 2 natural log of 2t is equal negative 1. Now I will divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, so we have natural log of 2t is equal negative 1/2. Now I am exponentiating both sides, so we have e to power natural log of 2t is equal e to power negative 1/2. We know that natural log has base e. When we have the same base, we use formula e to power natural log of x is equal x when we have the same base. So in our case, we have 2t is equal e to power negative 1/2. Now we divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have t is equal negative power. It means we have to take down this e, so it will be 1 over 2 and power 1/2. So it means we have square root of e. This is equal, we can use calculator. We have 1 divided by, open parenthesis, 2 times square root of E 1 divided by, open parenthesis, 2 times square root of E to power first, close parenthesis, this is equal 0.303. We have to check if this value belongs to our interval. We have interval from 1 to 4, so 0.303 doesn't belong. We don't have critical points. It means we have to calculate the value of our function for endpoints, so for 1 and for 4. So P of 1 and P of 4. It means we have to replace t's by these values in our general formula. So we have 1 to second power natural log of 2 times 1 plus 7. This is equal, 1 to second power is 1, so we have natural log of 2 plus 7. So this is equal, we have natural log of 2 plus 7, this is equal 7.69. And we have 4 to second power natural log of 2 times 4 plus 7, this is equal 16 natural log of 8 plus 7, this is equal 16 times natural log of 8 plus 7, this is equal 40.27. Now we have to choose the largest value is 40.27 for t equals 4. This is our absolute maximum. And absolute minimum is 7.69. Absolute minimum you have for t equals 1. This is my solution.